Welcome to Ranjit's classes. Today, we'll explore the fascinating world of determiners and how they play a crucial role in the English language. Good morning, class. Today, we'll be delving into the realm of determiners. They are essential elements that precede nouns and help us specify and clarify the nouns they modify. Let's begin. Determiners are words that appear before nouns to add information or clarify their meaning. They provide us with essential details about the nouns they modify, such as quantity, possession, and definiteness. 1. The beautiful sun is shining brightly. 2. I saw several stars in the night sky. 3. My friend's dog is very playful. As you can see from these examples, determiners can be articles, demonstratives, possessives, quantifiers, or numbers. Articles are a type of determiner that specify the definiteness of a noun. There are three articles: a, and the. 1. A dog barked outside my window. 2. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. 3. The sun rises in the east. Demonstratives point out specific nouns. They include this, that, these, and those. 1. This book is intriguing. 2. I want to buy that red sweater. 3. These flowers smell delightful. 4. Those cookies are delicious. Possessives indicate ownership or possession of a noun. They include pronouns like my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. 1. My sister is an excellent dancer. 2. His car is parked over there. 3. Our team won the championship. Quantifiers are determiners that express the quantity or amount of a noun. They can be specific or non-specific. 1. I have some good news for you. 2. Many students participated in the science fair. 3. There is little time left to finish the exam. 4. Would you like any dessert? Numbers, as the name suggests, tell us the exact quantity of a noun. 1. 2 birds were sitting on the branch. 2. She bought 5 pencils for the test. 3. There are 20 students in our class. Understanding determiners can significantly enhance your writing and communication skills. They enable us to be more precise and articulate in expressing our thoughts. Now that you know the various types of determiners and how they function, let's practice identifying them in sentences. 1. Identify the determiner in each sentence. A. I saw the stars in the sky. 1. B. Can you lend me your pen? C. These mangoes are ripe. 1. D. She has several cats at home. Keep practicing your understanding of determiners, and soon you'll master this essential aspect of English grammar. That's all for today's lesson. Remember to use determiners effectively to add clarity and precision to your writing. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons on English grammar.